Well, it's about noon. Sitting at home, hanging out with the dogs. Pem's really hamming it up. His name's Pembroke, but we call him Pem. If you guys say Pem. Look at him. On his back, feet in the air. We got Molly. Oh, Molly. She's very sleepy. She just woke up from a nap and she's already very sleepy. Then you have Brody. Hi, Brody. Yo, your best stinky, Brody. We got to do something about that. Watching Casey Neistat. Getting ready to go fishing. I'm planning on fishing all night. But for now, I'm enjoying doing computer work and hanging out with the puppies. Because Pim here is a big old Velcro dog. And he loves just laying on me. I don't mind one bit. So, nice easy morning. Even drinking a Michelob. Got it from the neighbors downstairs. Apparently they don't like Michelob. I don't drink very often. A couple beers a month at most. But I figure if I'm just sitting here doing nothing, I'm going to lay down here in a minute and try and catch a little bit of a nap. Might as well drink one of them. I'm Pam. So, we'll see how fishing goes later. Well, we're out on a very cold scooter ride. Yeah. We're right here at the I Love Russellville sign. I started a Facebook group called I Love Russellville, which is kind of a catch-all everything for anything Russellville. But we're in downtown, we're both freezing, so we're making our way home. And then maybe go fishing tonight?
You can.
I slept most of the day, so I kind of want to go fishing all night, but if we say we're going to go fishing in the morning again, it's going to happen what happens every morning. We won't go in the morning.
I'm tired. I've been up all morning or all day.
Yeah, Ashley went horseback riding today. I did nothing. Slept with the dogs. Took a break. Got some rest. Now I need to go fishing. So we're going to finish up this ride, go home, hopefully get up early in the morning. Well, we got to go by Walmart real quick. I'm going to buy a casting net, but that's a block and a half from the house. And then we'll go home and get some sleep and go fishing in the morning. So, see you guys tomorrow.